What are you, an idiot? Why did you do that? I'm gonna tell Mom! Don't even think about it. That's it, I'm telling. Mom, Dad, Cal's acting stupid and I can't watch TV.
Cow, are you acting stupid with Chicken?
No, he was acting stupid with me.
Chicken, you'll be nice to your little sister. Now apologize.
Sorry.
Wanna play Super Cow?
No.
Oh, come on.
Beat it.
I tell Mom and Dad you smoke.
I don't smoke.
Oh, yeah? Oh, Mom and Dad, guess what I found in Chicken's underwear drawer?
Okay, I'll play with you.
Hola! Super Cow vuela por el aire! Yay!
Hello! It's me, the devil. I stand for all that is bad. Also, I'm naked. I love evilness.
Hey, goodness! Right!
Cerberus? Cerberus is my assistant. He's got 3 heads. Right, Cerberus? Evilness is what I like, right?
Tell him! You hate goodness. You only like cute and fluffy things. Oops. No, evil things.
Anywho,
It is I who am the one who makes bad things happen all over the earth.
and you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to do a kidnapping of innocent children. And you'll never guess who I choose.
Try.
Try and guess who.
Cow and chicken.
Right! Follow me! Ooh, Cal's kind of a big guy. Maybe I'll just kidnap Chicken instead.
Oh, but Mr. Devil, the rules say they gotta do something bad before you can take him down here. No problem.
I'll offer him cigarettes.
Cabby's Live, a red team on alien planet surface looking for strange phenomena.
Cigarette?
Chicken?
Hey, sure. Don't take him. It's not the right thing to do. And Mom says to stay away from big naked guys.
Back off.
I'm a big chicken. Think I'm a little chicken?
No, I'm big. Gotcha.
Go, go, go. No.
Warming up for you, chicken?
You did something bad, Chicken.
You're gonna wish you was never born.
Think you're gonna get punished? Right! So, you like a good smoke, huh? Take a drag. Oh, you got smoldering ashes in your mouth. I can help you clean that out. Ooh, that cigarette isn't quite out yet. I gotta cut down on these chickens.
Help, help, help me, cow. I want to help you, Water, but I'm just a little cow.
Then say super cow.
Super cow, arrestate! Oye, diablo! Prepárate a morir!
Pardon me, Mr. Cow, but I don't speak Spanish.
Me da igual, imbécil!
Gotcha.
Now let's hear you moo, cow.
No.
Mira mi Tertulia, arriba, abajo, I can't.
See. I give. You win.
Oh, thanks, sis. You beat the devil. You saved my life. Agradecelo al Supercar! Hey, thanks again for that whole, devil thing. Though I think I really could have got myself out. Hey, thanks, cow. You used the last of the milk and I didn't get none. Oh, man, that is gross. I can't drink your milk. Well, you always do. I've been refilling the same carton for years.
Oh, I think I'm gonna toss my cookies.
Aren't our kids something, Dad?
Mama, there's nobody quite like him.